Good morning to all of you. We are reading the chapter solution. Today we will discuss about semi-permeable membrane, osmosis, osmotic pressure, and difference between osmosis and diffusion. First of all, we understand osmosis. Osmosis is the phenomenon in which flow of solvent through a semi-permeable membrane from pure solvent to the solution. This is called osmosis. That means we can say, in other words, less concentrated solution to a more concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane. We are using the term semi-permeable membrane. We understand semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane are a special type of membrane which appear to be continuous sheets or films, but actually they contain a network of sub-microscopic holes or pores. These membranes allow the passage of solvent molecules only, not the solute particles. The common examples of natural semi-permeable membrane is pig bladder, and another artificial SPM are cellophane, parchment paper, freshly precipitated inorganic substances such as copper, ferrocyanides, cobalt, nickel, all are the example. Okay. Now we see the figure. That will be more clear. In both of the figure, we are observing that water flows from a beaker into the funnel. As a result of this solvent flow, the level of solution in funnel starts rising. In second case, two cases, initial and final state. Okay. After some time, the level of solution in the Thissell funnel becomes constant, indicating that process of osmosis has stopped. That means we can say the excess hydrostatic pressure which builds up a result of osmosis is called osmotic pressure. Okay. It is denoted by capital pi. Now we differentiate between osmosis and diffusion. The difference between osmosis and diffusion, in case of osmosis, the process of osmosis takes place through a semi-permeable membrane. In case of diffusion, no semi-permeable membrane is required. In osmosis involves the movement of solvent molecules only. It is a very important point. But in case of diffusion, both the solute and the solvent molecules can move. In case of osmosis, molecules of solvent from a region of lower concentration of solution into a region of higher concentration. But in case of diffusion, the molecules move from region of higher concentration to lower concentration. Osmosis is limited to solution only. Diffusion is common in gases as well as in liquid. You have read in class 9 and previous classes. These are the differences between osmosis and diffusion. Okay. In the next class, we will read about how osmotic pressure can be measured and some experimental measurement of osmotic pressure. Okay. That will be Berkeley-Hartley method and isotonic solution, hypertonic and hypotonic solution also. Okay, this will be the last class in this chapter. Okay, thank you.